Okay, the video in Teachable does an amazing job on showing you how to close out your party. Plus, the video I'm going to tag you in does an amazing job of explaining party bonus books and what they are and how we use them. But I wanted to show you a little bit in Order Pro so you had an idea. So we're in Order Pro, we're in an order. You've got this selection drop down. Party bonus books is where we're going to go. Now, party bonus books are books that are 65% off to you to incentivize your hosts. So you might incentivize them via the bingo board. You might incentivize them to host by giving them $20 in free books. Those are books that are going to be 65% off to you. So let's say, for example, you offer them a Shine a Light book. So it's $12.99. That book is going to cost you $2.55 to get for them. Now, you might be thinking, well, I don't want to shell out that much money. I don't want to shell out money for the parties. It is going to be worth it to you for people to do the bingo board for you to give them free books. So if they black out on the bingo board, that's worth it to you because they have a lot of people going. That means you got 2 bookings from that party. That means you had $500 in sales. So $2.50 on a $500 party is not the chump change out of your pocket. So when you close out your launch, you are going to want to order some mini books under the party bonus book section. Mini books are what we send out as prizes to people who don't want to host. So usually I give away 2 prizes in my party, trying to get 2 hosts because it takes 2 hosts to grow. So when they say no, usually I ask them, like, why are they hesitant, and I try and talk about it with them. But if that doesn't work and they're not wanting to do a party at all, or maybe they just had a party with another consultant, I'm going to send them a mini book. Now, I use Jotform to organize this, which I'm going to send to you, but you want to utilize your launch to order some of these books to send out. So you're just going to go in here and you're just going to type mini, and it's going to give you all the books that we have. They're anywhere between $1.99 and about $3.50. So I like to do these mini phonics readers. They're the ones that rhyme usually. Like this one is working on the OW sound. So you're just going to add those. Now, you have $50 in party bonus books that you can use. So you're just adding them into here. So that way you have some on hand to mail out to prize winners instead of having to purchase them at full price. At any time you can come in and order these books, but you can only access the party bonus book section if you have $100 in sales. Now, I could just come in and order these at full price. That would be fine. You can do that too. But I always like to utilize the party bonus book section and get them really cheap. Because if I can get them really cheap and shipping's like $1.50 and the envelope's like 50 cents, it doesn't cost me that much to send them out. So I just wanted to highlight this. The other thing that I don't think that the other trainings talk about is, let's say you have a hostess who doesn't use the party bonus book section. You can use it. So you can ship to her free books, and you can add someone else. So in this case, I'm shipping these party bonus books to another person. This is actually my mom. Or I could ship them to myself. So I just add them in there. But you want to make sure that when you're adding, it's under the correct drop down. If you accidentally leave it as host, it's going to ship to your hostess. And then she's going to have all your books. So you can do that at any time. You can, if your hostess uses like $20 of it and there's still 30 left, you can ship the rest of that 30 to yourself too. Just make sure you click and add under the right drop down. So this is probably the hardest part to get about the whole business. So I just wanted to make this short little video. Please let me know what questions you have.